Hi guys, welcome. Nice to see you here. Nice to see you back on my channel, back on my videos. Trying to understand together with you what's happening on binary option platforms and of course to make some money on it. So everything that you have on binary option platforms is just a couple buttons, call or put, up or down, higher or lower. You have amount of your investment, estimated profit percentage, of course chart type, and several different interesting things. While I was talking about that, I've lost $100. Great start. This is the great start. In that case, I can show you what to do. I'm using the martingale system. That means that your amount need to be, after you've lost, your amount need to be 2.5 times bigger than it was. In that case, you can bring back your money and you can make more profit. Alright, those sharp movements of the price can be a signal to make the opposite way choice. This is the easiest way to trade, just first and easiest way. It's gonna be short video. Don't want to make long term and big video that you will not want to watch. So just couple bets. I will show you what to do and you can try it yourself. Of course, all the useful links you can find in the description panel of this video. As you saw, just I've made $242, and if I won this bet, I'm getting back to my usual amount. I'm getting back to $100. This is not a big money and I can afford to lose it if something will go wrong. Okay, great situation. Sharp movements, the opposite way move, and let's see what's gonna happen in a couple seconds. 25 seconds. Of course, price can jump high to the sky and it can fall down immediately. So this is pretty risky. Let's say honestly, this is pretty risky, but it's profitable. You cannot find in the world the asset that you can trade on or that you can use with 97% of profit. Great. $97. That means that all the binary option platforms pretty similar, and you can choose any platform that you want. That means just find most convenient for you and just try to do it yourself. Okay, great. That was a great move. You see, if I would make a bet right here, I would get profit right here, or not. You see, the market is unstable today. Market is pretty rough right now. The price is moving fast today. In a matter of fact, you have much more assets than one to trade on, but I choose the most profitable. This 97% is great opportunity to make some money just in couple seconds, just in couple clicks. And let's make the next prediction. Next prediction will be available until 10 seconds will appear. Okay, let's roll. You see the price jumped up, and my prediction that the price will go down, will go the opposite way. Of course, it's pretty risky. Of course, it's real money and real investment and real assets. This is absolutely certified platform that you can use, and on this platform you can make money for sure. The minimum amount is $10 that you can try with, but I prefer you to make a practice on the practice account and after that make your deposit. The link for deposit you can find in the description panel also. So I showed you how in just a couple minutes made a couple $100 if you have 100, for example. But I will say it one more time: do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, and be careful, be wise, and don't be in rush. Wish you good luck. See you in the next video, and make sure that you've subscribed to my channel and press the notification button. See you and bye.